All right, this is what my trailer looks like. Used to be just a airplane trailer, but obviously I modified it. The wing goes up here on the left, tent goes in the middle and the front, awning goes on the back and the right, and I got 3 slots for my airplane gas can, spare tire, you know, usual crap. So looks like one of my things are coming down. Set it up in the front yard because when I tore it down this morning I was getting poured on, so I figured I better let it dry in the front yard drying. So this is where I stay when I go flying, if I go flying a long ways away. How's that? It's pretty cool, huh? Pretty darn cool. Awning, tent, everything. And like I said, the trailer had 2 main rails, here and here, and I just welded 6 onto the main rails, 6 verticals, and then I put 3 horizontals. I don't know if you can see them or not, and that's good solid steel, so it ain't going nowhere. And then I put 2 on the hitch because I had to have it as far forward as possible so it didn't interfere with the airplane trike. 2 on a hitch. Just made T's and dropped them down on the side rails, welded them on. My welding looks crappy, like I said, because, you know, if you don't practice it, it's a skill. You don't practice, you lose it. Let me go fix that. All right. This is the trike tent trailer with the awning out. Pretty cool. Keep me dry. Well, the thing is, it's not keeping the trike dry. The trike's getting wet. But it shouldn't hurt it. Should be okay. It's been wet before. Completely dry in the tent. Completely dry around the tent because I got that awning in the front. Freaking righteous. Smittybilt Gen 2 XL. Great tent. And since I've used it a few times, I've gotten more familiar with it. And it's quicker to set up and tear down now that I learned the ins and outs. Took me a little while though. Anyway, so you'd like a look at the trike trailer slash camping trailer. That way it was on the truck, but now it's on the trailer. That way when I get somewhere I can unhook the trailer and set up my tent and leave it set up, instead of having to take it apart every time I gotta go somewhere. Like I go for a pizza. I just had pizza and a beer. It was really good. Beer and a what is it? Labatt's Blue. Never heard of it, but it was pretty tasty. Anyway, here we are. This is it. I'm done for the weekend filming. See you, bye.